Hello, everyone, and welcome. The world of software development is changing faster than ever. What worked 5 years ago is already being replaced by newer, smarter, and faster technologies. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 game changers that are fundamentally reshaping how we build, deploy, and interact with software. Let's jump right in. Coming in at number 1, and this is the big one: AI-driven development and generative AI. AI isn't just a feature in an app anymore. It's becoming a partner in building the app. We're talking about AI code assistants like GitHub Copilot. These tools can write entire blocks of code, suggest fixes, and even translate code from one language to another, dramatically speeding up the development process. But it's not just writing code. AI is also powering intelligent testing, automatically generating test cases, and predicting which parts of your code are most likely to have bugs. It's also being used for intelligent automation in project management and optimizing deployment pipelines. This is a massive shift. Next, at number 2, we have cloud-native architecture. This is a huge shift in thinking. It's not just about using the cloud. It's about building your application specifically for the cloud to take full advantage of its power. There are 3 key parts to this. First, microservices. Instead of building one giant, monolithic application, you build many small, independent services. This means you can update, scale, and manage different parts of your app separately, which is incredibly efficient. Second, containers, specifically Docker and Kubernetes. Docker packages your code and all its dependencies into a neat little container. Kubernetes is the orchestrator that manages all those containers, automating deployment and scaling. This is the de facto standard for modern apps. And third, serverless computing. This lets you run your code without worrying about any servers. You just provide the code, and the cloud provider handles everything else. It's a powerful way to build and scale. Our third game changer is the rise of low-code and no-code platforms. This trend is democratizing software development. It gives people with little to no coding experience the power to build functional applications using visual, drag-and-drop interfaces. This is a game changer for accelerated delivery. Business teams can now build prototypes, internal tools, or customer-facing apps much faster, freeing up professional developers to focus on the highly complex, custom-coded systems that these platforms can't handle. At number 4, we have a crucial cultural shift: DevSecOps. We've had DevOps, development and operations, for a while, which helped automate building and deploying software. DevSecOps adds the most important piece right into the name: security. The big idea here is shifting left, which means integrating security into every single phase of the development lifecycle, right from the very beginning. Security checks, vulnerability scanning, and compliance are all automated within the pipeline. This means security is no longer a final bottleneck. It's a continuous, shared responsibility. This leads to much more secure software, built just as fast. And finally, at number 5, we have progressive web apps, or PWAs. PWAs are a game changer for the user experience because they blend the best parts of a website with the best parts of a native mobile app. They are essentially websites that look and feel like a mobile app. They can be installed on your phone's home screen. They can send you push notifications, and they can even work when you're offline. For developers, this is amazing. You have one code base for all platforms. And best of all, you can bypass the app stores, updating your application instantly for all your users. So there you have it. The top 5 game changers in software development: AI-driven development, cloud-native architecture, low-code/no-code, DevSecOps, and progressive web apps. These are the trends shaping the future of our industry. What do you think? Which of these do you find most disruptive? Did I miss any? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.